Hello friends, today we will be working on string immutable. Okay, this is very important question from the interview point of view. String immutable means it can't be modified or it can't be changed. Okay, that's the basic thing. So they would ask questions like, let's say in the programs, you will understand better. Let's get a string, a string as subscribe. Okay, str subscribe, and let's concat it str dot concat. Let's add string like likes. Okay, so here let's see the output of it. Output of str, still it would be, when you are doing this output, let's see the output. See, str is subscribe and str dot concat likes. So still its output would be subscribe only. The str's output, the str, the string, the value is still subscribe. It haven't changed. So what happened over here? Let's see in the diagram. Subscribe, there's a string str and there's a new object is created, that is str. Let's take this also in output as out, sys out or syso, whatever you say. So let's put it over here. Let's see the output. Let's see the output. Okay, where it was expected. Okay, one bracket is expected over here. So let's run it and see. See, there's a one object is subscribe, that's str, and another object is created subscribe likes. So another object is created, str isn't modified yet. Okay, so let's see the diagram what happened over here. There's a, both of them are string constant pool. Okay, scp, in scp area both of the objects are created in scp area, that is a string literal. This is a string literal way. Okay, so one object is created in subscribe, another object is created as subscribe like. See over here, likes, str.concat likes. So subscribe likes. Another object is created as subscribe likes. So first object has a reference str has a reference subscribe. Okay, it's off. This has a reference, but this is without reference. See, as it is str.concat likes, so it is without reference. As subscribe likes is without reference. So two objects are created, but str who haven't changed its value. So sometimes what we do, so sometimes we assign the string. So what I mean is str1 equal to str. So what happens over here, and let's print this out. So str1, what is happening over here is, see, we are assigning str reference the str of value, that's subscribe. So what's happening over here, let's first print it out and see. So another subscribe, so str1 has become also subscribe. Okay, what we have done is we have passed the value, but now, so let's suppose we give str another value like str equal to another sub. Okay, a sub, that's a sub str. So what will happen over here, let's see. We have to string str1 now. So here we will print str. We'll comment this. Okay, let's let it be that. So let's see what happens over here. See, str is subscribe, str subscribe. Okay, but here we have assigned str as a sub. So str have changed the value to a sub, but we were saying that string is immutable. So how this value change? We were saying that string is immutable. It can't be modified, it can't be changed. But here the value has changed. Str value has changed. So what happened over here is, so let's see what's happening over here in the diagram. That string system str subscribe. Now this reference str a sub, a new object is created a sub. Okay, let's see, a new object is created as a sub. That would be created over here only, a sub. Let me write it over here. You please understand that it is same. New object is created a sub. Okay, let me make a circle over here. Okay, this object is created a sub. So what's happened over here? So what would be the reference over here? A sub, as str was subscribed. Now we have provided it with a new value, str equal to a sub. So what happens over here is that str reference is passed to this a sub. So str reference is passed to a sub. So object is still there. Okay, object haven't changed, object is still there, just the reference. So just the reference value have been moved from subscribe object to a sub. So new object is created, but and the reference is passed, so object is haven't changed its value. Okay, just the reference has moved. This is very important. So that's it for this. So this is very important, that whenever we assign, like we assign a reference a new object, so str haven't changed, it has just moved, the object value haven't changed, object is still there, subscribe is still there, and a new object is created a sub, and the reference is passed to a sub. Okay, and the new reference is passed as a sub. Okay, that's it. So that's it. So immutability, that it was that much only. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.